Generally speaking, these announcements, when you look at it from a holistic manner, it creates a lot of rippling effects throughout the economy. It also touches almost every single Guyanese in every single facet of life. These initiatives, in our view, were very strategic, and it was strategic to help our people to help develop and to be able to live a better life. And I think overall, especially the university free education program that has been implemented, that program was able to allow a lot of Guyanese to meet the demand and also to allow them to go to university. As you're aware, our labour market have quite a bit of shortage in terms of experienced personnel and qualified personnel. So allowing our students and our children to get to the university level, it's an awesome move, and I think we are very happy to see many of these initiatives being implemented so that we all can benefit from it.
From the Private Sector Commissioner, we're very excited for these new incentives, and he said there's many more to come in Budget 2025, and we're here to support, we're here to work with the government of the day, and we're so happy that this government is coming out with this kind of laying the environment for the business community to start really working. He mentioned the fact that we've been seeing massive growth in the tourism industry, with the infrastructure industry, with agriculture industry, the mining industry. And if you notice what he was saying, only a small part of that was the oil and gas, which just tells me that diversifying our economy is a priority for him and is a priority for us here in the private sector as well. So,
as we know, we have a growing society of young, driven, ambitious women who have now access to the Gold Scholarship and the further rollout with free education. And being in the health sector as a pharmacist, this is big news for us because we have shortages of nurses and we have such a high demand for people in the health field and doctors, and those programs used to cost a lot of money and a lot of skilled people were not afford the opportunity. But with 2025 coming on and we're going to see all these changes, it means now our health sector would be primed, and with all the infrastructural development and all the hospitals, not only are we having the demand, but we're putting ourselves in the position of filling those demands. So that was really intriguing, and I'm very much happy that I was here today to hear it directly from him.
In totality, is one that is very uplifting. It's one that is welcoming from the private sector standpoint. It speaks to the advancements of Guyana. It speaks to the development both in the private sector and the public sector, and how we could really position ourselves to really participate in the development of Guyana. The Chamber continues to seek information to really empower our members collectively through various forms of information sessions. We've signed and continue to sign MOUs because we want to really build capacity. The President has outlined quite a few initiatives that will be coming on board. We want to ensure that we maximize those opportunities when it really comes to light.